next, before we have discussed about sexual reproduction in plant. Now we are going to discuss about male reproductive system and then female reproductive system. Male reproductive system. Male reproductive system. It is a specialized system of human being. A pair consists of, the male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes. A pair of testes. Next, a pair of testes. Next, one of the reproductive sperm are produced from the testes. Sperms are produced from testes. Sperms are produced from testes. Here, what is role of the testes? They have two main role of the testes. They are two role of the testes. What are the two role of the testes? To formation of sperm. To formation of sperm. Second, to synthesis of male sex hormone. To synthesis of male sex hormone is called androgen. This is the role of the testes. What are the two role of testes?
Production of sperm.
Production of sperm.
And secretary male sex hormone.
Where is located the testes? Testes located at the pelvic region. Upper androgen. Androgen or testosterone. Androgen or progesterone. Testosterone. Little amount of progesterone also secreted in human. Little amount. For testosterone to control human sexual character. I mean sexual character for the sex behavior. Next, where is located the pair of testes? The testis located at below the abdominal and thigh region is called genital area. Located pubic area and genital area is located in the testes. The ball structure is called testis. Molecule of the testis called scrotum. The ball-like structure of the structure is called testis called scrotum. A pair of testes. A pair of testes. Next, for transport of sperm into the where is come from the sperm. Next, the female reproductive system consists of warp difference. Warp difference. Urinary bladder. It contains ejaculatory tract. It contains the ejaculatory tract. Here, what is the role of warp difference? To transport or pass into sperm testes from into the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. In the wave of sperm that is reached for the urinary bladder. Here contain before the urinary bladder contains the ejaculatory bladder. Ejaculatory duct it contains to store the sperm. It contains the accessory duct. Another male reproductive system consists of accessory duct. Here accessory duct are called, one is called seminal vesicles. Here attached to the seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicle. Pair of seminal vesicle. Pair of seminal vesicle. Here having the prostate gland. Here having the prostate gland. Seminal vesicle and prostate gland to secrete a fluid. Secrete the fluid. What is the role of the fluid? The fluid contains the calcium. Important. The fluid contains the nitrogen, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus. Contain the nutrients, protein and carbohydrates also. Contain the nutrients. Here, the sperm get nutrition from that fluid, accessory duct, seminal vesicle, and prostate gland to secrete the fluid. Or the seminal vesicle provide nutrition to the sperm. Accessory duct provide nutrition to the sperm. Second point, what is the role of accessory? Two marks. What is the role of accessory duct of prostate gland and the seminal vesicle and the wave of and the passive wave of second easy transport of sperm into the ovary. Easy transport of sperm into the ovary. Next, the sperm are released into urethra. The sperm released into urethra. The sperm released into the urethra. Urethra is a common passage of urine and stool. The urethra is a common passage of urine and stool. Okay, that it is called the belly covered by the skin. Belly covered by the skin. This is of male reproductive system. What is the structure of the sperm? Sperm consists of three parts. Sperm consists of three parts: head piece and head, middle piece, tail. Head part is called agrosome. Head part called agrosome, middle piece and tail. The tail part helpful for float, for easy entry of ovary. The tail helpful for easy entry of the ovary and reach of the fluid. These are the main reproductive systems. Next, female reproductive system. Female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovary. Female reproductive system. Female reproductive system. It consists of female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovary. Pair of ovary to join with connect with the fallopian tube. To connect with the fallopian tube. Pair of ovary. What is the role of ovary? To formation of egg. Slowly formation of egg. Second point, the formation of female sex hormone. Called estrogen and estrogen otherwise known as progesterone. Two role of the ovary. Next, fallopian tube. A pair of fallopian tube or oviduct, otherwise known as oviduct. Fallopian tube, otherwise known as oviduct. Duct means tube-like structure. and uterus fallopian tube that connect into the uterus. Connect into the uterus. This is a region of vagina. This is a vagina and a cervix. This is a uterus. This is the uterus. This is the uterus. Okay, clear? The fallopian tube here important fallopian tube oviduct is very very important. Why? Here only fertilization occurs. இங்க தான் கருவுறுதலே நடக்கும். Where it is fused with the male gamete with the female gamete, here for fertilization occur. For fallopian tube or oviduct. Next, the uterus open into the vagina through cervix. Vagina is very open ஆகும், cervix வெளிய open ஆகும். Cervix வெளிய open ஆகும். These are the female reproductive system. Then uterus is a elastic bag-like structure. Uterus is a elastic bag-like structure. It also contains the blood vessels. It also contains the blood vessels. Where it is located for the uterus for the connection of the fallopian tube. Connection of the fallopian tube it is located at the lower abdomen. These are the female reproductive part. And how this happen? The fertilization. The sperm enter into the cervix. The sperm to carry the urethra to release the sperm into the urethra. Urethra release into the sperm. Urethra release the sperm into the ovary. Then enter the ovary, the sperm goes into fallopian duct or fallopian duct or oviduct. Here only happen the fertilization. Important. Here only happen the fertilization. Male gamete fused with the female gamete. Male gamete are sperm, female gamete are egg. It release the sperm. The ovary to form. In the ovary என்ன function பண்ணுது? To form egg. It release into the oviduct and fallopian duct in fertilization. Here happen the fertilization. Fertilization. After it goes into the fallopian tube to connect with the uterus. Connect into the uterus. After uterus release into the fertilized egg into the zygote. Zygote. The zygote of the sequence contains two nucleus. Sperm egg is a haploid. Sperm is a egg is a haploid and sperm is a haploid. To combine fuse to form diploid nature of cells. After zygote continually occurs the cell division to form the embryo. Zygote form into the embryo. Embryo develop into fetus. Zygote develop into embryo. Embryo develop into fetus. Clear? The urethra releases the sperm into the ovary. The ovary releases the egg to combination to fuse the male gamete fused with the female egg. That process known as fertilization. Fertilization occurs fallopian tube or oviduct. Then fertilized egg released into the uterus. Released into the uterus. After to form the fertilized egg, after form the zygote. Zygote form into the embryo. Embryo after fertilized organ tissue is called fetus. After 9 months, the woman get baby. These are female reproduction and reproduction. Next, how baby get nutrition inside the uterus? How baby get nutrition? The baby get nutrition from specialized tissue called placenta. The baby get nutrition from the mother. The baby get nutrition from the mother. It is specialized tissue is called placenta. Placenta embedded in wall of uterus. Wall of uterus. The placenta embedded in wall of uterus. Wall of uterus. Next, what is role of placenta? Placenta what is role of placenta? First one, the transport of nutrition mother from to the child. Transport of nutrition like carbohydrate, proteins, lipids, all the nutrients pass through the mother from child. Next, the baby want to respiration. How to baby get gases? Through the uterus also contain the arteries through the placenta to transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. There are two main role of the placenta. Then another role of placenta also in fetus surrounding the blood. The fetus also generates the waste. The waste generation eliminated by the placenta. This role of the placenta. Next, implementation. What is mean by the implementation? Implementation is nothing but zygote get fixed into uterus or zygote placed in the uterus. கருவுட்ட முட்டையானது யூட்ரஸ்ல தங்கு இடத்துல ஃபிக்ஸ்ட் ஆகுது. பேர் என்னன்னு பார்த்தா இம்ப்ளிமெண்டேஷன். zygote placed into get fixed into zygote is known as implementation. Clear, my dear? Get fixed into the uterus, wall of uterus, or uterus, wall of uterus is called implementation. Next, what does happen the unfertilized state? Fertilized state to form zygote develop into embryo develop into fetus, Here, what happens the unfertilized egg? Every month of ovary to form a single egg. That is called immaturity. When will they change the mature? After puberty. All the process occur after puberty only. Fertilization, everything. Here, what is mean by puberty? The reproductive organ get mature. Is called puberty. Reproductive organ or reproductive tissues get mature. Is called puberty. Or reproductive organ to start to formation of sperm in male. In female, the female reproductive system of ovary to start with formation of egg. The duration is called puberty. Puberty or male puberty or get start formation of gamete. It is called puberty. All the process after puberty. In the bone of baby contains the egg, but the egg is immature, not mature, immature. When will the change into mature? After puberty. Every month of the ovary to form egg. The egg want to fertilized with the sperm. Every month the uterus also ready. Uterus also every month is ready to prepare to receive the fertilized egg. Egg not get fertilized. Egg not get fertilized. Egg broke down. Egg get broke down. Egg now broke down item. And the wall of uterine endometrium. The endometrium it is embedded in wall of uterus. It is spongy. Uterus is a spongy every month. Get nourishes for the nutrient. Every month it nourishes for the nutrient. Why? Because it is received for fertilized egg. Embryo, the zygote not receive the uterus. The wall of uterine it is a broke down. Wall of uterus is a broke down. The blood come out from the vaginal canal. The blood come out from the vaginal canal. It contains also mucus through the cervix. This is the otherwise known as menstrual cycle. Every month of the woman to occur the menstrual. When will the stop the menstrual? When will the woman get pregnant? Pregnant means the egg get fertilized. That is called pregnant. After pregnant. Okay. So egg get fertilized. So that the time after the time the baby should be stopped. Clear? This is our menstrual cycle. Sexually transmitted disease. Sexually transmitted disease. Some of the people are involved for illegal sexual activity, unprotected sexual activity to cause sexual transmitted disease. STD. STD. Sexually transmitted disease. Sexually transmitted disease. There are two. One is a microorganism caused by sexual transmitted disease. One is a bacterial disease. Another one is viral disease. The bacterial disease are warts, genital warts. Warts are viral disease, right? Warts are the viral disease. Syphilis and gonorrhea. Syphilis and gonorrhea for the bacterial disease. Syphilis or gonorrhea. Syphilis or gonorrhea for the bacterial disease. Next, what are the diseases caused by virus, AIDS and genital warts? HIV. Is HIV human immunovirus to caused by HIV? Sorry, HIV caused by AIDS. HIV human immunodeficiency virus to cause AIDS. What is the extent of AIDS? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is a viral disease. Genital warts. It is affected by private part of the male and female. For who are involved for the illegal sexual activity, unprotected sexual activity. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. ஒருவனிடம் பெறப்பட்ட நோய் எதிர்ப்பு சக்தி குறை நோய். ஒருவனிடமிருந்து பெறப்பட்ட நோய் எதிர்ப்பு சக்தி குறை நோய். This HIV totally destroys the immune system. So the immune system means we are affected. Any one of you affected from the immune system. What will happen? Their lifespan are reduced. They not have the disease resisting power. Not antibody fight against antigen. That is happened for the 8th question. Clear?
Yes.
Next, contraceptive device. Contraceptive device. Why are the contraceptive device methods? Contraceptive device. Contraceptive device. Why contraceptive? Government agency and NGO, non-government agency, some of the private agency to motivate the contraceptive method. The main unwanted pregnancy and sexual protected by the sexual transmitted disease achieved by contraceptive device. Contraceptive method in order to process unwanted pregnancy and protected by the sexual disease transmitted disease. இந்த ரெண்டு ரோல அச்சீவ் பண்ணது இந்த கான்ட்ராக்ட் டிசீஸ். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மெத்தட் பேரியல் மெத்தட். Variant method is consists of the quantum are near to the male of the penis. It is prevent entry of the sperm into the ovary. This prevent entry into the ovary. So the pregnant will be stopped. Unwanted pregnancy will be stopped and release of sperm to also prevented. Also prevented quantum for near to the penis. Next method for mechanical method. There are two devices of copper T. Copper T. The second one is mechanical method. Mechanical method. What is copper T? Copper T is placed in the vagina of the uterus. It prevents formation of ovulation. Copper T என்ன பண்ணும்? ஓவு ஃபார்ம் பண்றது ஓவுலேஷன். அதே ஸ்டாப் பண்ணி நிறுத்திடும். Copper T stop பண்ணிடும். ஓவுலேஷன் எது ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது ஸ்டாப் பண்ணும். அதாவது intrauterine IUCD intrauterine device. Intrauterine contraceptive device. Intrauterine contraceptive device to place in the uterus is also prevent to formation of egg or ovulation process. Third model methods are hormonal method. Third method are hormonal method. Hormonal method is nothing but the female take for the oral pills. Oral pills are madam of the chemical or hormonal method is known as chemical method. To stop to at the time of sexual intercourse, egg does not form into the ovary. Egg does not form into the ovary. Oral pills to take in the oral cavity. Oral pill means tablet. Prevent the ovulation. Hormonal and chemical method. It also to stop the unwanted pregnancy. The final method are surgical method. Surgical method are which one carry the scope was different. To made to cut. Surgical method means the doctor involved the surgical family planning method. Family this method called the family planning method. The doctor to cut in the was different. The sperm does not release. That is called vasectomy. That is called vasectomy. Then which where this occurs the fertilization in female in fallopian tube or oviduct. To cut in the fallopian tube for the female. That is called the temporary the ovary after cutting means the ovum does not form into the oviduct. So it is called tubectomy. Discussion should be over for how to organism reproduce. Chapter are we are revising. Clear my dear?
Yes, sir.
Good.